Hello everyone and welcome back to Wendy's Way. Today we're continuing our journey in fiber. I'm going to do something that I haven't done before. I've seen many people do it. But I will follow up with a much more thorough review of this ice yarn unboxing. But I was just so excited today when my delivery came. Right on schedule, exactly when they said it was going to arrive, amazingly fast, from Turkey. I know that all of you are able to order yarn directly from the factory if you so choose. And that is an excellent way to save money and to experiment with different types of fiber, different types of yarn, because ice yarns creates hundreds and hundreds of fiber combinations, color combinations, textures, just everything you could think of in varieties of yarn. They make it all, more than you could ever find in any given store or even a combination of stores. Anyone is able to order directly from the factory. People like myself who work from home, I'm on a fixed income from the Veterans Administration. I'm a reseller of rated cutlery and of ice yarns, and I'm an event promoter. Every time someone chooses to order through my web store for ice yarns, which is wendysway.yarnshopping.com, I make a commission on the sale. Every little bit helps. So in order to make it worth your doing that, I like to give a complete review of the ice yarns. Today I'm simply doing an unboxing, but within the next week I will take a skein of each kind. I've got 6 different yarns today. I'm going to take a skein of each kind and I'm going to crochet a swatch. And then I will give you a very thorough review on what I would suggest personally it could be used for. Because there are all different types of fibers and colors and textures and weights, and sometimes you really want to touch them, or at least have somebody else touch them and give it some thought and give you better insight before you go and spend your money on something. So if you think my efforts and my reviews make it worth your exploring the Ice Yarns website confidently, then please, instead of going directly to the Ice Yarns website, go to wendysway.yarnshopping.com and order some nummies like I did. Okay, on to the unboxing. I'm going to show you the goodies. Oh, wow. I'm excited. I got fibers that I've never had before, and colors, a mundo, and alrighty. The first one, as with the majority of ice yarns, are sold in 400 gram. Get my mind on kilter here for what I'm doing. The majority of them come in packages with 400 grams of yarn. The majority, again, not all obviously, come in like 100 gram skeins. Sometimes the balls are only 50 grams. Sometimes they're up to 200 in one ball. You never know. So this is how they roll. Getting a minimum of 4 per package, an average of 400 grams per package. You know what projects, how much length comes in each package. You'll know ahead of time. And, I'll do some reviews like this beautiful shawl that I'm wearing today, which is my most recent finished project. Just finished it this afternoon. You don't get to see that whole video until later, though. I'm just giving you a teaser by wearing it today. All right. The very first package. I'm opening it now. I love these colors. And I think these colors would be gorgeous for my friend Val, because she loves, oh my goodness, that's soft. She loves like beach colors. Hopefully we're getting a focus. Sometimes my camera does, sometimes my camera doesn't. Sometimes I can tell, sometimes I can't. I have to get it pretty dark in the room where I'm recording because my phone compensates and overcompensates for light. Okay. The name of this yarn is Angora batik. It is, sure it is, 20% Angora, 20% wool, and 60% acrylic. It is suggested that you use a 3 to 4 millimeter hook. I believe the thickness is a 2. That means this is a very fine weight yarn. As you can see, it's a very fine weight. Angora, wool, and acrylic. On the skein, at least, I wouldn't suspect there was wool in it. I can feel the Angora. It's a little bit fuzzy. It's, oh my goodness. It is absolutely gorgeous. It's a little bit finer than what I used to make this shawl, but it's quite close to the same weight. I think this was made with a 3, and this is a 2. Imagine the delicate, flowing, gorgeous things that I'll be able to make with Angora batik. Each ball, I know it's on here. Where is it? Each ball is 100 grams. 350 meters? Is that possible? I'm gonna have to turn on another lamp so I can better see these. I'll be right back. Alrighty, yes, 100 grams, 500. That seems almost impossible, but it's only a 2. 550 meters. Seems almost impossible, but imagine that. That's probably about 580 yards per ball. Isn't that gorgeous? Angora batik. They describe the colors as, sure they do. I should have printed them all out. I came unprepared to this party. Next. Oh wow, this is funky stuff. I've used something similar to this in the past. Okay. Canario. Canario? That's interesting. Another very lightweight, fine, textured yarn. Now that is interesting. Okay. Here we are, folks. Let's get a close-up on that, can we? You know you want to, camera. You really, really do. We seem to be having issues today, from our lighting to our focus. Why does the camera want to focus on me instead of on this? I do not know. All right. Qunari suggests a 3mm hook. It is a number 2 fine weight yarn. Each ball is 50 grams, 165 meters. It is 40% cotton, 20% viscose, 40% acrylic. Now this is delicate and beautiful. You know, it's kind of a confetti look to it. You know, I love cotton. I love cotton. And viscose makes it pretty amazing too. Let's cover up our our straps here. It looks, yep, it looks confetti-y. I'm gonna quit doing that because you don't want to see blurry yarn. Qunari comes in 50-gram balls, 8 to a bag. Again, something delicate, something soft. Oh, this is one I've been waiting to get my hands on for a while too. Oh, show it to you in the bag first. I ordered 2 bags of this. I thought it was so gorgeous. Are those not the most beautiful colors you've ever seen? Wowzers. All right. Something I want close to my body. This is Alpaca Active. Please focus, camera. My camera doesn't want to focus on anything for me today. Alpaca Active. Wow. It's a number 2 lightweight yarn, 20% alpaca, 20% wool, 16% premium acrylic, which makes it feel heavenly. It's 100 grams per ball. Again, 550 meters, or likely between 550 and 600 yards per ball. And the colors. Oh, I'm ready. I'm so ready to try that one. I'm so ready. Okay, this unbagging is probably going to be one of the more lame videos I've made, but I couldn't help myself. Oh, and just so you know, along with this order, I ordered, like I said, half a dozen different yarns, and in the box they include a sweet little coaster. It's quite thick, actually, printed on both sides. Very cute. Put that on my desk. How sweet is that? A calendar. Ice Yarns sent me a calendar for 2020. Well, looky there. That looks like my Alpaca Active. They like what I like. How about that? A free calendar with my order. A pretty one, too. And another one of these little sweeties. I've gotten one of these before. They have a new logo. It is a canvas bag to carry projects in, and it has a long handle. You can throw it over your shoulder and throw your project in there and carry it with you. Print it on both sides. Free with your order. Now this, it's the first time I have ordered yarn from Ice where they have packaged a variety of yarns in one bag. I think they have just started doing this. I had not seen it until very recently when I surfed the website. And the big thing right now, along with color changing yarn like this shawl that I'm wearing, you know, it all came off one skein. I didn't choose the colors or connect the colors. It was one great big skein of color changing yarn. Much prettier, I think, than the variegated. Probably going to take over for the variegated. But the next thing, the big thing now, making gorgeous projects is Ombre. That's when you take shades of color and go from dark to light. Or you even stagger multicolored things together. If you've seen gingham blankets and hats and things like that, where you take 3 colors and make them into a plaid design. And, you know, I've gotten some ombre yarns before that were like from coral through your soft pink mauves all the way to a light cream almost on one skein. Well, this yarn packet they call Ombre, and it's because they have grouped together 3 yarns that you would combine to make something like a gingham blanket or a hat. It's called Ombre, and I got it in this color combination because, and I'm sorry to all the family members and my friends, especially the Bolins, you'll have to forgive me. I'm a State fan as well, but, you know, Waverly colors. Anyway, black and gold, baby. Black and gold. I can make something out of this that I can sell locally because the Iowa Hawkeyes are black and gold. This is actually yellow, you know, so it won't be quite perfect, but they're calling it Ombre because they have put black, the gold, and the black and gold. So you can make one project out of the package and you don't have to order all 3 colors of yarn. How cool is that? All right, Ombre. It is suggested that you use a 5mm hook. It's a size 4, but they're still calling it light, which, you know, for us would be an average DK. That is really nice. It's a 100-gram ball, 220 meters, about 250 yards, 90% acrylic, 10% polyester, which is going to give it, you know, a little more anti-pill, a little more, yeah, it's going to make it smooth and durable to put the polyester in it. It's acrylic and polyester, but it feels like a nice cotton. Truly, it doesn't feel like any acrylic I've ever used. I like it. I like it. I would wear that next to my body. That's very soft. It feels like a high quality cotton, and there's no cotton in it. Acrylic and polyester called Ombre. And it comes in lots of different color combinations. Not only solid color combinations that would go together, but like this one, you know, the dark, the light, and the combination. Like I said, I got 2 bags of those. I got 2 bags of this one also because If it feels, whew, it's awfully fine. I don't know, we'll see. If it feels nearly as soft as it looks. I might be making a blanket out of it. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, I might not be able to make a baby blanket out of it because it's a very fine yarn, but you know what? Make one of those 3D stitches, you know? One of those easy, looks like 3D is, this is quite possibly the softest yarn I've ever felt. Ever. It's silky smooth, and I haven't even told you what it is yet. The name, oh yeah, it's Baby Ombre. You know, combination of colors. Baby weight. I'm not seeing. Okay. Oh, it's because I'm sitting in the dark. It's because I'm sitting in the dark. I'm just going to pull them out of the bag. I don't think this is what I thought I was looking at. Okay. So, oh my goodness, that is the silkiest thing ever. Again, ombre. Think of brown, green, brown and green. Holy scads, is that not beautiful? Oh, 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 oh. I can't get over it. I cannot get over it. Baby ombre. It's very lightweight. Boy, they write things so small on here. It's probably a 2. It's 100 grams of anti-pilling acrylic. That's the silkiest yarn I've ever felt. How can that be acrylic? Holy heavenly days. That's incredible. 100 grams, 200 meters, but it's really fine. That doesn't make any sense. I'm gonna have to get more information about that one when I, yeah, that doesn't look right. When I crochet the swatch, I'll be able to give you a better idea, because there's no way there's only 200 meters on there when it's a number 2 yarn. I mean, that's tiny stuff. And it's gonna be gorgeous. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. All right. I know, I'm like a child. I'm losing my my thing here. It's getting a little warm, I have to admit, because, you know, I'm a big body girl. And I'm sitting in a 70-degree house. Wearing a shawl. Because it's gorgeous and I love it. It's not as thick as it looks. I've got it, you know, layered up. All right, so I got 2 bags of that one. Baby ombre. Oh, baby ombre, my new favorite. It's so silky, it's so soft. All right, here's the second bag of the Alpaca Active. Gorgeousness. 2 more. For some reason, I got 2 bags of this also, probably because it is a luxury yarn and there's not a whole lot of length in a bag. First time I've purchased a truly luxury yarn from Ice Yarns. Silk cotton. We're talking 100% natural fiber, 0% acrylic. Oh, goodness. Oh. Silk cotton. What a color, too. What a color. Silk cotton. Oh, this camera is really letting me down today. My lighting is poopy, 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 poopy. Silk cotton. I'm gonna make another video, you know, with the true review. Figure out what's wrong with my camera. Silk cotton. Had to pull the paper off so I can read it. Oh man, feels like a silk blouse, you know? Not for this big old body. Oh, so small. Written so small. 50 grams, 120 meters. And there are just 4 per package. So a 200-gram package. Silk cotton. Probably about 600 yards in the entire package. Yep. That's gonna have to be something that I wear close to my skin. Maybe scarf. Something super yummy. All right. One more kind of yarn. One more. Excuse me. One more. This one. Now this is kind of cool and funky. I'll show you the front and I'll show you the back. Roma. Roma. It's a kind of tomato. Yellow khaki. Roma. Let's check this out. You know, some things I order because I have projects. Some things I order just because I want to review them and let y'all know what they look like and what they feel like so that you can make better choices yourself and order from Ice Yarns. So, Roma suggested 4mm hook. It's a 4, but it's a light 50-gram ball, 150 meters, so 170 yards-ish. 26% wool, not 25. 26% wool and 74% mohair. Wow. You know, it's not silky. It's fuzzy. It's soft. It will feel beautiful against the skin. And it's almost in, yeah, how would I describe that? Almost like a flat chain weave, you know? Yeah. The strands almost look flat. And did I say, yeah, wool? I'm sorry, not mohair. Modal? What is modal? M-O-D-A-L. Gonna have to look that up. 26% wool, 74% modal. M-O-D-A-L. Flat, smooth, soft, but not, you know, not silky. Not like, ooh la la, like the baby Ombre. But beautiful. Really beautiful. Ooh. And I love the colors too. Okay, wool and modal. And I have to look up what modal is, but the name of it is Roma. Comes in lots of colors. I will put in the description of this video a link to every type of yarn that I have shown you today. And I do apologize for the video quality. I'm going to be working on that. So I'll be back with better, more thorough reviews of all 6 of these yarns. But we've done everything from Angora to silk to cotton to ombre to woolen modal Roma. All right, folks. I'm going to have to get busy on more information. I thank you all for joining me today. Silly video as it is. I'm going to put it out there because that's just who I am. I thank you again for joining me at Wendy's Way. And I do pray that the good Lord who blesses me each and every day of my life blesses you as well, today and always. Amen.